Are you ready to nail party?
I will be using my Competitive Edge Custom Original Double Thick Extra Long Nail Forms, my Extra Adhesion Nail Liquid, my Deep Well Ceramic Dapping Dish, my Original Natural Nail Powder, my Luxe Beige Gel Against Gel Polish, my Gothic Red Gel Polish from my Bride of Frankie collection, my Glass Slipper No Wipe Super High Gloss Top Gel, my art brush, my large flat Kolinsky Red Sable brush, and my towelettes. Sanitize, sanitize, sanitize. And I will be using my Crystal Decanter Spray, available in peach or gardenia. Sanitize your hands first, then your client's hands. The nail has already been prepared and my first coat of primer dried. This killed the germs on the nail and dried out the oils in the nail. Now I'm going to apply my second coat of primer, so my primer is wet when I apply my acrylic. This promotes adhesion. And I always put a little towelette in my primer holder so I can dab my brush. I don't want to oversaturate the nail with primer. This little bottle primes 1,000 nails. Wipe off your brush before you place it into the primer so you don't contaminate your primer. This is going to be a long, super tapered nail, so I will be squeezing the form a little tighter here to give more of a taper towards the tip. My first ball is going to be a large ball. Dip your brush in, wipe it away, drag towards you. Pick up a nice large ball. I'll be placing this ball out towards the end of the form. Place, lift, let it flow. Pat it out, bring in your side. Pat it out, bring in your side. Pat it out. This is going to a number 8. Stroke it out a little bit, bring in your tip. Get this ball just how you like it. This starts the shape of your nail, so you want to make sure this is the exact shape that you want. Want to make it nice and tapered. There we go. Wipe off your brush, dip your brush in. Again, large ball. Place this ball at the end of the free edge. Lift, let it flow. Pat it out. Bring in your side. Bring in your side. I'm going to stroke this ball to blend it into your first ball. There we go. Nice and easy. There we go. Getting that nice tapered shape. Dip your brush in. This is a medium ball. A little less liquid. A little less powder. Place this ball halfway down the nail bed. Let it flow. And stroke it out. Side, side, center. Your next ball is going to be your cuticle ball. This is a smaller ball. Dip your brush in. Less liquid. Smaller ball. Place this ball 1/32 of an inch away from your cuticle. Let it flow. Stroke it out. Side, side, center. Then you're going to look at your nail and decide where you want your stress ball. I'm going to place it right in here. This gives a nice arch to the nail and helps make the nail nice and strong. This will be a medium ball, so dip your brush in, a little less liquid. Smaller ball. Place this ball slightly on the nail bed. Let it flow. And stroke it out. Side, side, center. Such a fun nail to do. It's my favorite kind of nail. Nice long tapered nail. Wipe off your brush. The nail is starting to dry and I'm going to squeeze the C curve. Start at the nail bed. Work your way out towards the tip. This gives the nail a nice tapered shape and makes it really strong. Again, starting at the nail bed, working your way all the way out. There we go. Now I'm going to remove the form, so I like to squeeze it, and it helps release it easier. There you go. I will be using my disposable 180 grit long-lasting zebra and my disposable clean finish buffer. And this buffer is made out of a special material. It's not made out of paper. So when you buff, it doesn't leave any grit on the nail. You can use this buffer dry, you can use it wet, or you can use it with oil. And it's so easy. Just peel off the back. Stick it onto your board. Peel off the back. Stick it onto your board. Now I'm going to score the edge of my file with my etcher. So when I file around the cuticle area, it's nice and smooth. Then I just dispose of my etcher. I'm going to file my nail in 5 steps, and my first step in filing is straight out from the nail groove on the left. Hold the finger in the nail securely. File straight out from the nail groove. My second step in filing is straight out from the nail groove on the right. Again, holding the finger in the nail securely. File straight out from the nail groove. My third step in filing is shaping the tip of the free edge. This is going to be a square, so I hold my file straight up and down and go back and forth. This will give me a perfect square. The fourth step in filing is the top of the nail in the cuticle area. Down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. Nice long strokes. There's a little road where you have product, natural nail cuticle. I'm going to place my file in that little road and file my product flush with the natural nail. Getting the nail really smooth around the cuticle area helps prevent lifting also. Make sure that there's no acrylic on the skin. That's why when you're applying your nail, you're very careful when you're applying your product around the cuticle. My fifth step in filing is turn the nail around from the client's angle and bevel down towards the tip. This is the angle the client's going to be looking at for the next 2 weeks, and you want to make sure it looks beautiful from their angle. Holding the finger in the nail securely. Getting it nice and even. When I'm doing the long tapered, when I'm all finished doing my 5 steps in filing, I go back and do a little perfecting. What I like to do is hold my file straight up and down. Just come straight out from that nail groove, just to make sure that it's nice and straight. There we go. I do that on both sides. Now I'm going to buff the nail with my clean finish buffer. Nice long strokes. Get it nice and smooth around that cuticle area. Blending in your acrylic with your natural nail so it's nice and smooth. Hold the finger in the nail. Buff out towards the tip. That's one thing when you're doing long nails. Always make sure you have a nice hold on that finger and that nail. And take off the sharp edges. Have the client go wash their hands with peach antibacterial soft suds and a plastic manicure brush. I will be using Luxe Beige Gel Against Gel Polish for my nail bed color. Nice long strokes. This color makes a really beautiful base for a French, especially with the dark colors. Cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. I will be using Gothic red for my French. I like to just go across the tip first and come in from my sides. Angle coming towards the middle. I'll be applying 2 coats. My first coat's going to be thin. Cap the tip. I'm going to clean my smile line with my Clean It using my little art brush. Let's get a nice little smile there. Super easy. Get it just how you like it. There we go. Get it nice and clean. So fun to do a French with gel polish because it's already dry and you can go right over the top of it and clean up really nice. Once you get the smile line just how you like it, cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to apply my second coat of Gothic red. Same way. Nice long strokes across the tip. Then make a line right where my French is. There we go. Try to follow your line so you don't have to have a lot of cleanup. Using the edge of your brush. There you go. Get it just how you like it. Beautiful. Cure 2 minutes in a UV or 1 minute in an LED. Now I'm going to apply Glass Slipper, my No Wipe High Gloss Top Gel. Nice long strokes, cover the entire nail. Cap the tip. Cure 2 minutes in a UV or 1 minute in an LED. Now I'm going to apply conditioning cuticle oil available in peach or gardenia. This is really good for the cuticles and the natural nail. It helps the natural nail grow out healthy and strong. Now we have the long Gothic red French manicure. Such a beautiful look. That light nail bed with that dark tip is so pretty. When you're all done, it's so easy to clean up. Just peel off your file strip. Disinfect your boards. Fold up your disposable towel, and everything goes in the trash.
Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And remember, at Tammy Taylor Nails, nails are always fun and never feel like work.